Absolutely.
Thank you. Okay, so now on that note, as I said, we have to come back to bread and butter as well. So I thought I'll quickly just recap the week gone by. It's been a great week, actually. Don't go by just a slightly quiet Friday and lackluster response to the RBI policy, because the bulls were doing the heavy lifting actually at the start itself. So for the week as a whole, the Nifty is up about 2.3%. The Bank Nifty is up almost 3%. The mid-cap index is up 4%, and the small-cap index is up 4.3%. Short point, the bulls have bounced back in a very good way, and the market has taken out a lot of important levels as well. The Bank Nifty is trading above all of the moving averages. Anyway, it's only 1.5% away from the all-time high. But even the Nifty, it's clawing its way back. And finally, it's on Friday, actually, on an intraday basis, it went above the 100-day moving average as well, roughly that zone of around 24,700. So there's momentum coming back after a long time in the market. And what's powering it? The color of money. It's very, very simple. It is FPI selling that took us down, and the fact that some of it is now abating is taking us higher. And the number's looking good, by the way. So for December so far, which is just a couple of trading sessions, we are already positive by about 15,000 crores in terms of the net FPI buying that's come through. And these are final figures from the depositories. So whether you say the money's come in a QIP or it's come in the secondary market or a block, the fact is there's money coming in and buying Indian equity. So you sort of take that with both hands. Contrast this with the selling in November. Obviously, we were down 21,000 crores in November. We were down 94,000 crores in October. So this is good. Now, the bulls will want to see from here on that this sustains. December usually has been very, very positive for the Indian market. 7 out of 10 times, December has ended on a positive note, and the bulls will want that pattern to continue. So what are we looking at as we look at the next 3 weeks of the month as well? Obviously, the jobs report and how the US market is behaving. This week saw the divergence between India and US come down because Indian markets started outperforming, and the bulls will want to hope that we see more of that. And don't leave your eye off China, I would say, because there's some murmur and chatter that next week the Chinese policymakers and the government officials, they're again coming together for a big mega economic symposium. Again, they'll take stock of whether they need more stimulus or not. So China, as always, is going to be in focus. Some of the metal stocks were up on Friday as well, so we'll watch for that. But largely,